In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language GoDaddy. If you want your GoDaddy experience and communications to appear in a language that feels more natural to you, this walkthrough is for you. I'll guide you through the exact clicks so you can update your language quickly and confidently, and I'll also share helpful notes so you know what each screen is doing. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type GoDaddy. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account if you manage more than one. After you're signed in, you should land on your account dashboard or a similar page where your products and profile menu are visible. Look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile name or your initials. This opens a menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to a central place where you can manage how GoDaddy communicates with you and how certain preferences are set across your account. Inside Account Settings, find and click Contact Preferences. Think of Contact Preferences as your hub for how GoDaddy reaches out to you and in what language. On that page, look for the Language section and click Language. You're now in the spot where the change actually happens. Click the Language dropdown to see the available options. This list contains language and region combinations that control how GoDaddy presents communications and some parts of your account interface. For this demonstration, select ENCA, which stands for English, Canada. If you're following along to match this example exactly, choose ENCA now. If you prefer another supported language in your own workflow later, you can always come back here and switch it again. After selecting ENCA, scroll if needed and click Save Contact Preference. This action confirms your choice and applies the new setting to your account. You should see the page acknowledge the change, and in many cases the updated language will be reflected right away. Give it a moment, and if you navigate around your dashboard or open a new page, you'll typically notice the updated language in headings, labels, and future communications. That's it. To recap the path you used: Google, GoDaddy, Sign In, Profile in the top right, Account Settings, Contact Preferences, Language, choose NCA, and Save Contact Preference. With your language updated, your GoDaddy experience should feel clearer and more consistent moving forward. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to make a change.